More than 520,000 people have been evacuated, including about 260,000 women and 160,000 children. Thai forces reportedly fired on civilian areas in Phoi Phet on 22 December. Social media footages showed dozens of rounds striking residential buildings in Kebalko village, Ojrov district. Despite the attacks, not everyone has fled. One Phoi Phet resident told Kiri Post that some foreigners, including Chinese, Indonesian, and Thai nationals, remain in the city and continue operating businesses.
តាមដូចជាថ្ងៃទី7 8ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបានទៅសៀមរាបដែរអញ្ចឹងតែដោយសារខ្ញុំនៅនេះរ៉ូស៊ីបងតពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅដូចជាឃើញគេនៅរ៉ូស៊ីនៅនឹងបានធម្មតាពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅយើងអត់ទៅចង់បិទទេបងដោយសារយើងស្ដាយចំណូលយើងរោក្នុងមួយថ្ងៃបានរៀងគ្រាន់ដែរបងបើតាមខ្ញុំគិតផ្ទាល់ហ្មងដូចជាប្រហែលជាគេដឹងថាអត់មានមនុស្សព្រោះអីនិយាយទៅអីដែលគេធ្វើដាក់យើងរាល់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគ្រាន់តែធ្វើមិនបំភ័យឲ្យយើងរត់ចេញពីហ្នឹង
Separately, multiple shells hit homes in Ta Sta Commune, Sampov Loon District, Battambang Province, injuring one Chinese national, officials said. Videos shared by civilians show residents in Phoi Phet fleeing in fear as explosions are heard